Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to close FAB bank account online. So guys, search for Google on FAB bank account and then click this first result, and after that guys, log into your account, log in with your username and password. Wait a few seconds, as you can see here guys. After that guys, scroll down, you find here guys option help and support. Go this link, help and support. First login into username and password, and go to help and support, and scroll down guys and fill this form guys by enter your name and your email, and click your phone number and click here guys, click this request to close your account. I want, just like example, close my account for this reason, and guys here write this reason why you want to close account and just click submit. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. See you soon.